Oh, it's a little cute guy. Okay, I'll cut that one for a little bit, and then
Okay, but let's continue it. Let's continue it. When I charge my VR.
let's try and get the second part. Okay.
Alright.
Bro groaned so much. Okay, the next part is I'll just give you hot chocolate.
Wait, what does the hot chocolate do?
It makes you fat, but we'll just pretend that you grew a little bit.
Yeah, I think my head died.
Oh, it died?